We are going to cover the distribution of minerals in continents and in India, and we are going to talk about power minerals, and with that we will end this chapter number 3 today. And without wasting any further time, let's get started. So I have jotted down the main points of this chapter. So first one is distribution of minerals. As I have told you in my previous video, minerals are not evenly distributed in the world, right? They are found in various rocks, and according to that they are located in different areas, continents, that we're going to discuss it here. So like metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. You must be aware about the three types of rocks, that is igneous, metamorphic and sedimentary rocks. So metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks, so that forms a large plateau. So we extracted metallic minerals from plateau region. Then comes non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals are found in sedimentary rocks, and sedimentary rocks forms a young fold mountains, right? So we get them from mountains, for example limestone. Then comes mineral fuels. Mineral fuels are nothing but coal and petroleum, and that do be found in sedimentary strata, right? Now let's start with the distribution of minerals in continents. The first continent is Asia. Asia is a producer of tin. It has deposits that consist more than half of the world's tins. And where it is found? It is found in the three countries, that is China, Malaysia and Indonesia. Then second point, China and India have large iron ore. So we are the producer of iron ore as well. Then comes China is also a major producer of lead, antimony and tungsten. Then Asia has another deposits of another minerals like manganese, bauxites, nickel, zinc and copper. Now let's talk about the distribution of minerals in Europe. Now let's talk about the mineral distribution in another continent, starting with Europe. Europe is the leading producer of iron ore. ठीक है, so ये कौन सी कंट्रीज में मिलता है? ये मिलता है रशिया, यूक्रेन, स्वीडन एंड फ्रांस. And another minerals that are found in Europe are copper, lead, zinc, manganese, nickel. These are found in the Eastern Europe and European Russia. Then comes now North America. So in North America, the mineral deposits are divided into three regions. First region is Canadian region, that is north of the lake, Great Lake, right? It is situated on the north of the Great Lake, and it contains minerals like iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium and copper. Then comes Appalachian region, and it contains the major deposit of coal. Then comes mountain region of the west, that contains minerals like copper, lead, zinc, gold and silver. Now moving to fourth continent, that is South America. In South America, iron ore is found in Brazil, copper in Chile and Peru, tin, Brazil and Bolivia. Then mineral oils are found in the country like Venezuela, Argentina, Colombia, Chile and Peru. So please excuse me if I mispronounce it. These are quite hard to say, right? Then another minerals that are found in South America are gold, silver, zinc, chromium, manganese, bauxite, mica, platinum and diamond. Now let's talk about the distribution of minerals in Africa. So Africa is the largest producer of diamond, gold and platinum, wherein gold is found in South Africa, Zimbabwe and Zaire. And it is rich in copper, iron ore, chromium, uranium, cobalt and bauxite. And the countries where oil is found in Africa is Nigeria, Libya and Angola. Now let's move to Australia. Australia is the largest producer of bauxite in the world. It is world's largest producer of bauxite, right? And also it is the leading producer of gold, diamond, iron ore, tin and nickel. Apart from them, if you are asked like where in Australia you will find the largest deposit of gold, well, the answer is these two areas of Western Australia have the largest deposits of gold. Apart from that, Australia is also rich in copper, lead, zinc and manganese. Now let's move to the last continent, that is Antarctica. So now let's talk about Antarctica. Antarctica is rich in coal, iron, gold, silver and oil. Coal we found in the Transantarctic mountain, while iron we will found in the Prince Charles Mountains. Apart from that, it has abundant quantities of iron ore, gold, silver and oil. Now let's move to the next topic, that is distribution of minerals in India. So we are going to talk about the 8 minerals and where they are found, in which states they are found. As we all know, we have 28 states in India, and I will show you distribution. And one more thing, if you cannot learn the distribution by writing the names, you can take the help of map. For example, if you take a physical map of India and you choose one minerals, right? For example, iron. So what you have to do, you have to make a mind map like where iron is located. Like iron is located in Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh. So there are 7 states in which iron is found. So you can just point it down in the physical map of India, so you can recollect it at the time of writing the answers. Now moving to second, that is bauxite. Bauxite is found in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. So basically 7 states, right? Now let's move to mica. And mica we found in Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan. And one more thing about that, India is the largest producer and exporter of mica. So you can get a question for 1 marks or in MCQ. Right, so your answer should be mica. Then copper. Copper we found in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Have you observed the pattern that in this all distribution, most of the minerals are found in Jharkhand area, Jharkhand and Madhya Pradesh area, right? Jharkhand, Odisha. So Jharkhand is a prominent hub of the industries. All the minerals related industries are present in Jharkhand. Now let's talk about manganese. Manganese is found in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Again you will see Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and Chhattisgarh are like the constant where you will find most of the minerals. Then comes limestone. Limestone is found in Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. Next we have salt. As India is surrounded by seas, right? It has a peninsular plateau, so it is surrounded by seas altogether. So we are one of the world's leading producer and exporter of salt. So where we can find salt, like in the belt as we go from Gujarat to Tamil Nadu, right? It would be in the western area, and in eastern side we can find the salt from, I think, Odisha. Then we will go to down side, I think in Karnataka side we can find it. Then comes gold. Gold we found in Kolar, that is in Karnataka. Since it is mined from the very deepest of the earth's surface, it is quite expensive process. And with this I am concluding the chapter, concluding one part of the chapter, that is the distribution of minerals and all about the minerals. And in next we are going to talk about power resources. So it's gonna require another lecture. So I will make a part 4th for this, and with that we will conclude this chapter. I hope you will find something useful from the video, and if you think it will add value to you, then please don't hesitate to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.